how to install Browsec VPN on your Google Chrome. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily install Browsec VPN on your Chrome browser. So if you are using Chrome browser, simply search in for the Chrome Web Store, and once you search in for it, you will be heading over to this first website, which is official Chrome Web Store. And from over here what you need to search is simply search in for Browsec VPN, which will appear at the top, and its logo is just like this, Earth, with a green color in the middle. And you can also confirm it by its rating and 6 million plus users. So what you need to do is, to run this extension, simply click on this add to Chrome button and just click add extension button over here, and wait for some time for it to load, download and process it on your extension bar. So once it gets installed, you have to click on it, wait for some time again, and it will automatically add it to your extension bar. So to pin this, what you need to do is simply head over to this puzzle icon over here and just click on this pin, and it will be successfully pinned. And to turn it on, you have to simply click on it and just accept this, and you simply have to enter the start VPN option, and you will have successfully running your Browsec VPN on your Chrome browser. So to turn it off, simply click on this button, and that's exactly how you do this, guys. So hope this video was helpful, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.